Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see one grade 8 speed distance sum. Okay, look at the question. A cheetah is running 90 feet per second and is 120 feet behind an antelope. Antelope is running 60 feet per second. Okay, antelope is running 60 feet per second. Cheetah is running 90 feet per second. Cheetah and is 120 feet behind an antelope. How long will cheetah take to catch the antelope? Okay, cheetah is here. Cheetah is here. Antelope is here. Okay. Cheetah and antelope, how feet away behind it? 120 feet. 120 feet behind. Okay. Cheetah is 90 feet per second. Cheetah speed is 90 feet per second. Antelope speed is 60 feet per second. Okay. What is the relative speed? Relative speed means cheetah is also 60 feet per second. Antelope is also 90 feet per second. But antelope will overtake, cheetah will overtake antelope with the speed of 30 feet per second. It is called relative speed. Relative speed is 90 minus 60. 30 feet per second. Okay, 30 feet per second. Now, how long will it take? How long will it take means 120 feet, 30 feet per second. How long will it take means this is the distance. This is time is always distance over speed. Distance over speed. Time is always distance over speed. Okay. Distance is what? 120 feet. Speed is what? 30 feet per second. Okay. So 120 divided by 30 is 4 seconds. Okay. Cheetah will take 4 seconds to catch an antelope. Got it? Time is distance over speed. How to find if there are two speeds, how to find out? It is a relative speed. If it is in going on the same direction, 90 minus 60. Here in the same direction only, okay? Because cheetah will go, antelope will go try to escape, and cheetah will chase the antelope. So both are going in the same direction. If it is same direction, you have to subtract higher minus lower. 90 the begin from the forward. 90 minus 60 is 30 feet per second. Okay. Now 120 feet by 30 feet per second. Okay. Another question. If the cheetah can run fast, run first 20 seconds only, top speed. If the cheetah is 650 feet behind it, will it catch antelope? You understand? Okay, so here what is the question? Cheetah is running 90 feet per second, but it can run first 20 seconds only. Then afterwards its speed they didn't specify. Okay, it may be lower or higher. It should be the lower. Anything. Okay, so first 20 seconds it is going 90 feet per seconds. Okay. Antelope speed they didn't tell, it is always 60 feet per second. Okay. Now what is the relative speed? 90 minus 60 is 30 feet per second. First 20 seconds, how long cheetah will reduce the distance? How long cheetah will reduce the distance between antelope and cheetah? 30 feet per second cross 20 is 600 feet. if it is anything within 600 feet, cheetah will finish the antelope. Okay, but if the cheetah is 650 behind it, will it catch antelope? It will not catch. You understand? Will it catch antelope? It will not catch. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.